Now, there's really no reason to pay somebody $150 to $200 just to change out the cabin air filter in a 200 Series Land Cruiser. I'm going to show you how quickly and easily you can do that yourself and save some money. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to change out your cabin air filter in a 2021 Toyota Land Cruiser. Now, this will be the same process for 200 Series Land Cruisers from 2016 through 2021. It's very easy to do. The first thing we need to do is just open up your glove box or drop this door down. Now, you see right here, we have this access panel and there's two little tabs. We can just pull that down and pull it out a little bit. We'll set that cover out of the way. Now you see this bellows is down right now, preventing us from accessing that cabin air filter, and that's because this vehicle is on fresh air mode. So we need to change that to recirculate. So let's come over here and power the vehicle on. I'm just turning it on to accessory. And yeah, you see right here, the fresh air button is lit up. I'm gonna push the recirculate button and then watch over here. It opens up and allows us access to this cabin air filter. Now here's our cabin air filter, but it sits inside this little plastic tray or housing, and we need to release that. There's two little clips here. Push in and up. Same with this one here, in and up, and now it's released. Just grab it and slide it out. And there's our old cabin air filter. Now you can see the tray is printed up with an arrow pointing up. This plastic tray, you do need to reuse this. You're just going to take out the filter element on the inside, and then we're going to install a new cabin air filter. Now, if you need to replace the tray, the part number is 888-99-3A080. Now, the reason that I have this is because this is not our first Land Cruiser. I bought another one a while back, and this tray was completely missing. They had just thrown the cabin air filter element in there, and somebody got rid of this or threw it away, probably not knowing, or they maybe broke it when taking it out. Now here's the part number on this one. It's TCF285. This is an aftermarket from Paroma. I just bought this on Amazon. Now this one does have the activated carbon or charcoal. This is the one I'm going to put in. Now just a quick explanation on this. So this old one said up and it had an arrow pointing up. Well, our new filter says airflow and it's got an arrow pointing down. The fact that it's printed this way is kind of a hint. Anytime it says airflow, well, you need to follow the direction of the airflow, which in this case is down. But if it's printed up and it has an arrow pointing up, then you're just going to match it to this tray and put it up. Don't just assume and match the arrows, because if you did that, you'd be installing this upside down. But just follow that airflow direction. In this case, it's down. So we can slide this into the tray. Just like that. Now this is ready to go back in. And we can just slide this back in. Push it all the way in, and then you're going to clip it down. And then we'll just put this cover back on. And that's it. We are done. New cabin air filter is installed and super easy to do and something you can do yourself. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. Thanks so much for watching and good luck.